Hi everyone. So let's look at this question here. This question is about complex number, and this complex number question basically consists of Cartesian form in the equation and also the exponential form in the equation. So you're asked to solve z in terms of Cartesian form, right? At a glance, this question may look a bit difficult, but actually if you break it down into different parts, and it will not seem to be so daunting. So let's just dive and see how can we solve this question proficiently. So the first part is you are given z in terms of trivial form. Actually, it doesn't really matter what form is given to you. You can just, I think I would write this in terms of r e I theta, just because in this expression here I've got I theta in the expression, right? And I could just leave this z as it is. So I just try and make sense of the one on the right. So this trivial form is just basically a distractor, and you throw it off if you're not sure what you're doing, right? So I'm just gonna write this out now. I'm going to split this out. So basically this is ei pi, because plus I theta. And hello, you just need to make sure that you understood that ei pi is a special identity. Basically this is -1, because on the Argand diagram, if you have got the complex number which is like having an argument of pi and a length of 1, this actually registers a -1 on the Argand diagram. So that ei pi is actually just -1. So that's alright. So I'm just gonna copy this down. I know that this is 4z plus 1. So to do it quickly, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split this up by using what do you call it? Just indices, normal indices, which is like that, right? And I know that ei pi theta, which is this one, would register -1, and it happens that this over here, rei theta, is my z. Alright, so I know that actually ei pi, so I'm going to sub ei pi, this case here, plus I equals to 2 ei pi, which is -1, and z. Alright, so that's my -2. So once at a glance, this is alright. So oh yeah, then you ask yourself that you have z on both sides, and z is what you need to solve. So what you can actually express z as a subject, and then you could solve it really. So that's how. So we can expand this into 4iz plus I plus 4 equals to -2z. So I'm just going to move the z to the other side and try and solve this. This is 4i plus 2 equals to -4 minus I, and z is equals to -4 minus I, 2 plus 4i. So this could actually be simplified. Basically, you just multiply top and bottom with the conjugate surds, and you're good to go. So this is 2 minus 4i, and this is 2 minus 4i, right? Or you could just use GC, and you could also find it, but I'm just gonna quickly chop do this. This is 4 plus 16, conjugate multiply, which is a squared plus b squared, and this is -8 plus 4i squared, which is -16 minus 2i, plus not 4i, -8 plus 16i minus 2i plus -4 minus 4. So this will be 8i, and there will be -12 plus 20. So 16. Sorry, that's 12. -12. So this is -12 plus 14i, 20. Okay, so 14 over 20 would be 7 over 10. And -12 over 20 will be -3 over 5. Alright, there you go. That's how you solve this question proficiently. Alright, so any question or comments, please do write it at the comment section below, and thank you for watching. If you want to find out about my math tuition online, please visit my website www.teamkaimeth.com. Alright, thank you.